Hello there. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of how to remove a Google Workspace account efficiently and securely. Whether you've decided that Google Workspace no longer aligns with your needs, or perhaps you are transitioning to a different platform, you've come to the perfect place. I'll guide you through each step to ensure you can delete your Google Workspace account without leaving any loose ends. We'll cover everything from accessing the right menus to understanding important prerequisites so you can proceed with confidence. To get started, navigate to the Google Workspace website. This is where all the actions will take place, so think of it as your command center. Make sure you're logged into the Google account linked to the workspace you wish to delete. It might sound simple, but verifying you're in the correct account is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've confirmed you're using the right account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Remember to take your time here. Typing errors can lead to unnecessary frustration, and we want this process to be as smooth as possible. After entering your password correctly, click on the Next button to proceed. You will now find yourself at the Google Workspace dashboard. Look for the square grid icon located at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This action will open a menu displaying various Google services and applications. From here, your next move is to access the admin console. You can either follow the provided link or navigate through the Google Services menu you just opened. The admin console is your gateway to all the settings and controls for your Workspace account. Once inside the admin console, locate and enter the account section. This is where your journey to permanently deleting your account begins. From here, move to Account Settings. While this might seem repetitive, it ensures you're exactly where you need to be to proceed safely. Within Account Settings, look for the option labeled Account Management. This is a pivotal step, as it opens up the possibilities for making significant changes to your account, including deletion. The final step in this process is to click on Delete Account. This is a significant action, and by this point, you should be certain you're ready to let go. It's important to remember that once your account is deleted, there's no turning back. All your data within Google Workspace will be permanently lost. A crucial piece of advice before proceeding with the deletion is that your subscription must be fully cancelled. This is a critical prerequisite to avoid any complications during the account removal process. And there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to removing your Google Workspace account. While it is a straightforward process, going in fully informed with a clear understanding of each step is always beneficial. Deleting your account is a significant decision, so ensure it's the right move for you or your organization. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been extremely helpful in making your transition as seamless as possible.